In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Affirm. First, a quick refresher on how Affirm works because it helps the refund process make more sense. When you use an Affirm payment plan to check out at a store, Affirm pays the store the full amount of your order upfront. You then repay Affirm over time in installments for the loan amount you used. So while you're making payments to Affirm, the store is the one that actually received the money for your purchase. If you believe you're due a refund, start by contacting the store where you made the purchase. That's the key first move. The store will confirm whether a return or refund is possible based on its own return policy, and they'll determine the amount, which could be a full refund or a partial one. Every store sets its own rules, so timing, eligibility, and restocking fees can vary. It's important to know that Affirm can't issue refunds or cancel your loan on its own. They need confirmation from the store before they can update anything on your loan. Think of Affirm as waiting for the store's green light. Once the store sends that confirmation, you'll see the refund reflected in your Affirm account. It typically appears in your loan timeline within about 3 days, and your balance will update accordingly. If it's a partial refund, expect your balance or remaining installments to adjust to match the refunded amount. Keep an eye on your loan timeline during this period and save any emails or receipts from the store so you have a clear paper trail while you wait for the update. A quick tip while you're waiting. Continue following your usual payment schedule unless you see the refund applied. This helps avoid potential fees or confusion. If the adjustment posts, your remaining balance will reflect the change automatically. Now, if you've contacted the store and couldn't reach a satisfactory resolution, or you've been told a refund was approved but it hasn't shown up on your Affirm loan after a reasonable time, you can open a dispute with Affirm. Use clear details about the order, what was promised, and any proof from the store. Affirm will review the situation and work with the store to investigate. This is meant for cases where normal store support hasn't resolved the issue, or when an approved refund hasn't been applied to your loan. To recap, the store decides if a refund is allowed and how much. Affirm updates your loan after the store confirms it, and you can escalate with Affirm if the store can't resolve it or the expected refund isn't applied. Stay organized, watch your loan timeline, and you'll navigate the process smoothly.